In this week's CCJ Tech Shorts, we'll take a look at a new Dashcam, a new AI freight platform, a new carrier vetting product for freight brokers, and more.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Queclink Wireless Solutions, a provider of IoT devices and hardware, has launched a new Dashcam. The CV5000 is an AI-powered dual-facing dashcam that supports up to 2 additional cameras, side, rear, or cargo, for increased visibility around the vehicle or to handle complex video telematics applications. The CV5000 boasts optional CAN bus integration to gain greater understanding of vehicle performance and usage. AI detection enables real-time event recognition through advanced driver assistance system, driver monitoring system, and blind spot detection functionality. The CV5000 can therefore be used to identify and alert on dangers such as lane departure, forward collision, and nearby vulnerable road users, along with driver distraction, fatigue, and seatbelt use, with a facial ID feature for automated driver identification in the works. It also incorporates a CMOS active pixel sensor with an independent image signal processor for superior low-light performance and traffic sign recognition support. Enhanced global navigation satellite system accuracy ensures the CV5000 delivers advanced tracking to less than 1 meter, while the large ceramic antenna ensures increased signal strength. The dual microSD storage, supporting up to 1 terabyte in total, enables long-duration, high-resolution recording to minimize the risk of data loss. Warp has rolled out a new custom-built AI platform that automates freight operations. The platform, Orbit AI, aims to streamline communication, improve accuracy, and speed up the movement of freight across Warp's network, from carrier sales and bulk quoting to shipment updates and tracking requests. The platform automates repetitive workflows and delivers real-time intelligence across every stage of the shipment lifecycle with automated carrier sales calls, custom-built bulk quoting, instant shipment updates, and smart tracking requests. DAT Freight and Analytics has introduced Carrier Management Suite, a carrier qualification product that lets freight brokers on the DAT1 load board determine which carriers can access their loads based on authority status, insurance, and other factors. Carrier Management Suite brings carrier authentication into the procurement process on DAT1 with features that help brokers and carriers find the right match faster. Qualification settings allow brokers to set standards for which carriers can view their load posts, streamlining the vetting process and reducing calls from unqualified carriers. Carrier Management Suite's new company profiles build upon the DAT directory, adding more business and safety information for every customer on the DAT1 platform. They provide brokers with a centralized, comprehensive, and authoritative source of carrier information and insights, and offer carriers a platform to provide a more detailed description of their services. Qualification settings and company profiles incorporate insights from trucker tools. Brokers who need automated tracking and visibility will be able to search specifically for carriers on the Trucker Tools integrated ELD telematics network. For carriers, insights about ELD status, tracking, and on-time delivery will be available in their company profile. Fleet management company Merchants Fleet has expanded its partnership with the UFOFLEET platform following the scaling of its FleetShare solution. In 2023, Merchants Fleet built FleetShare on UFOFLEET, a modular cloud platform for automotive and fleet leaders. FleetShare is a driver-focused, app-based fleet experience managed through a centralized control center for fleet managers with client data integration for enhanced operational insight. Merchants Fleet used UFOFLEET Experience to integrate advanced features like simplified key control, transparent inspections, digital contract management, asset-level data insights, and more. Behind the scenes, Merchants Fleet uses UFOFLEET automation to automate FleetShare operations from allocation to maintenance to turn fragmented activities into scalable, controlled workflows. Building on the success of FleetShare, Merchants Fleet is leveraging UFOFLEET to modernize legacy systems, unlock new fleet opportunities, and streamline complex operations through automation.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.